B.Ed first semester Pedagogy of English. Our first unit, Introduction to English Language Teaching. Topic 3, Scope of English Language. Scope of English Language. The key points that are explained here below tell us clearly about the scope and importance of English language. The first point, English is a language for communication. All English knowing people can easily communicate their needs and desires to their brethren living in a different place. A social link is established only through the medium of English. The interstate or international trade is being run through English. The relations among various governments are facilitated by English language. According to Secondary Education Commission 1952-53, much of the nation's unity in political and other spheres of activity has been brought through English. It is obvious that without English there is no communication between persons living in different states. Only because of English, the students and teachers in the different universities get opportunities to obtain national and international careers. Students and research scholars of one region are able to study and conduct research in the universities functioning in other regions of the country. Man is the only being who can communicate his feelings, emotions, love, desires, etc. For this, he uses language. English is the most flexible language through which we can communicate. F.G. French rightly said that English is a means of international communication. The second point, English is a library language. A few words from Education Commission 1964-66 are worth quoting here. English as an important library language plays a vital role in higher education. No student should be considered as qualified for a degree, in particular a master's degree, unless he has acquired a reasonable proficiency in English. Library language is a language which can rapidly expand the stock of word knowledge. English is called a library language because 80% of the books in any university or college library are in English. English is the language which is having richest literature in the world. English is the key that would unlock the storehouse of knowledge. Keeping in view its importance, we can say that everyone must acquire reasonable proficiency in the language if he/she desires to maintain the established standards of education and knowledge. F.G. French rightly said that every advance in science, in engineering, in trade, in politics, in every branch of human thought is discussed, printed, determined, and made available in English. In recent years, there has been an explosion of knowledge in all fields, and most of this has been recorded in English. So, as English continues to be the important library language, its places has to be strengthened in education. Hence, advocate emphasis has to be laid on the study of English language right from school level. So, despite its place at secondary, college, and university levels, English continues to be the queen of languages as it is an important library language. The third important point, English is a global language. English is the global language because English is the only language through which we can keep ourselves familiar with the latest developments taking place in political, social, economic, scientific, technological, literary, commercial, and agricultural fields all over the world. We can peep into changes that are taking place in the world. The world has become one in this view. Without the study of English, we remain as a frog in a well. English has become a world language because of its presence in all continents of the world by trade, colonization, and conquest. The worldwide expansion of English means that it is now one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, with well over half billion native speakers and roughly the same number who speaks it as a second language. English is used for many different purposes in varying social contexts. The fourth point, English is an international language. English is learned in many countries across the world. This is not only with reference to specified English speaking territories, but as a means of international communication across national boundaries among speakers of other languages. For this role, the term international language has been proposed. English is spoken and understood all over the globe, so it has got international importance. English is the language with worldwide popularity. A link with people in all nations is possible only through English. English is being learned in our social conditions, schools, and colleges because it is a world language. English is national language in 29 countries and an official language in 15 other countries. English is the first language in UK, USA, Canada, and Australia, second language in Russia, Japan, Pakistan, France, Africa, etc. People who speak this language are around 100 million. No other language can take its place. Its popularity on the basis of its utility all over the world determines its strength and makes it global. In the opinion of French, English has become a world language. It is the means of international communications. There is no other. Even Mahatma Gandhi once said, English is a language of international commerce. English is a window of the world. According to former Indian President English is our major window on the modern world. That means English is the only way through which we can see the development taking place in political, social, economic, scientific, technical, literary, commercial, and agricultural fields all over the world. Through English, we can peep into the matters of the modern world. It is rightly remarked that a traveler who can speak English will find somebody who can understand him. Wherever he may go, anyone who can read English can keep in touch with the whole world without leaving his own house. Thus, we can say that English tells us about the advancement or progress taking place throughout the world. It is foolish to get into an intellectual prison after achieving political independence. In view of the above discussed points, we can understand the scope and importance and role of English in education scenario. Thank you for watching.